The governance of market infrastructure institutions. Now, there are three categories of institutions within this MIIs. What we have one in the stock exchanges, wherein we have the NSEs, the BSE, and the commodity exchange. Then we have uh, the depositories, which are the CDSL, the National Securities, NSDL. So these are there. The third is the clearing corporation, the clearing houses. Now, so this infrastructure is very important. There's a heavy volume of trading happening in these trading of securities happening in these exchanges and being regulated. So how these infrastructure MIIs, market infrastructure institutions, be well regulated by SEBI and in fact comply with the interest of the investors who are putting in their money in these security transactions. Now, for this recently, SEBI has recommended a report on strengthening the governance of these market infrastructure institutions, and multiple recommendations have been made in the report, which includes that there shall be clear demarcation of services being provided at these bodies, these MIIs, in terms of risk management as one vertical, regulatory compliance as another, then we have critical operations as one more. So these three critical verticals, among others, be there, and proper functioning happens through deployment of key personnel at these vertical heads. And in fact, the board shall also have public interest directors having a majority, more than two-thirds, as members, in order to serve the interest of the investors. Additionally, the board meetings and decisions shall be recorded, videotaped, so that proper transparency and accountability is established in these market infrastructure institutions. Additionally, infrastructure, so an investment fund or a settlement fund needs to be there. In fact, more money needs to be put on these so that any shock, any violation, any interest of the investor being violated, be absorbed by these funds and settled. So such recommendations and many others have been provided by SEBI in order to strengthen the functioning of MIIs. As we all understand, this is very critical. These market institution infrastructures are very critical for the functioning of the market, the movement of the securities from one hand to another, be it on equity and other derivatives, and the validation of those and the safeguarding and safe transfer of those is very important, and that involves the trust of the investors, and that has to be protected. And SEBI needs to have a proper ensure the compliance of these market institutions with the norms that are required for the market to operate effectively and manage the high volume trade. Thank you.